Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of J Vlog. It's nice to have you guys. It's nice to be here. It's nice to make this video. No, this video is a fun video, so I hope you guys enjoy. No, this is five things that Jamaican people curse you for. And the first thing that we really look at is food. Jamaican people will curse you for their food. One, if you touch Jamaican people food without asking for it, we'll literally curse you out. Send you up in the appearance. That's one of the first things Jamaican people do, send you up in the appearance. So please acknowledge that. If you are Jamaican friends, just know that you ask them for their food, don't put your hand in it. Jamaican people also don't like when they criticize their cooking or bash their type of food that they eat, and stuff like that. So you have to be very careful. Just take a little time and tread careful when you're making comment on Jamaican people food or the style of cooking. If you go to their house and they offer you food and you eat it and it might not be as nice as how you cook or something that you're used to. Try your best not to criticize it too much to make it seem like they can't cook, because Jamaican people full of pride, and whenever you bash them, they take it to heart. So you have to be very careful where that is concerned. The next thing that Jamaican people cuss you for, Jamaican people don't like when they tell lie on them. Like me personally, I don't like when people tell lie on me. That's one of the worst thing you can ever do. Jamaican people war you just to tell lie on them. Ensure that whatever you say them do, make sure you say you can prove it. Make sure you say you have evidence. Make sure you say somebody did it. Ensure that somebody was there that saw you do it and say, yes, I saw you do it. But don't tell lie on Jamaican people. That's one of the things that we hate. We just hate liars. We just hate it. Next thing, Jamaican people cuss you for their own things. Like literally. I'm dead serious. Jamaican people, you would lend them something, and when you come back for it, they will literally cuss you for it and say, wait, so where you hype over it for? Where you going like whenever that give back, where you hype and go on like say, I take more and take your things, or thief more and thief your things. People, keep in mind that you lend them things, especially money. When they lend Jamaican people money, they have a tendency to keep your money like a feed them one. And literally, they'll come to you and say, I'm going Bridget, lend me a $50 and me give back tomorrow. Tomorrow come, next week come, 3 more weeks after that, and I know you can't get back the same money. And when you do ask for it, they're going to say, oh yeah, bad them up for the money. Oh yeah, ask them and you tell them, say, you see me as Jamaican people literally bad you up for your own things. So please, if you are Jamaican friends, please look out for it. You understand? The last thing that I look at, Jamaican people will cuss you out because you're bad man. Jamaican people cuss you. Once they see that you're like, you're a selfish person and you have dirty ways and stuff like that, they literally get in an argument to you and speak their mind. They'll cuss you out. They literally just cuss you and talk how they feel and just express themselves. So, if you're a type of person who know you're negative and you just have this negative and nasty attitude, Jamaican will literally cuss you. Wherever you go, no matter who you are, no matter what type of which aspect of society you're from, Jamaican people cuss you out for your attitude. They will talk their mind and tell you how they feel, about certain things. So Jamaicans, we're full of pride, but we do, have a tendency to cuss out people, and we're very shameful at times. So look out for that when you're dealing with Jamaicans. And this is where I'll end the video. So, if you have experience with Jamaicans cussing you out, or you have Jamaican friends that you see cuss out other people for any of these reasons, leave a comment down below in the comment section and just let me know how you feel about this video, because the last video people don't seem to like substance that talk about the whole pregnancy situation. So down in the comments below, let me know what you think. Yeah, thanks for watching J Vlogs. Enough respect, my gone. Shout, shout.